Hey, what's up everyone? Jonathan Coates here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get first page rankings in Google in 24 hours using 100% free software. Now, what's really cool about this method is it's going to help you to find really easy to rank for keywords with zero competition. And you're going to be pretty blown away about this. I got to give credit to James Scholes. It's really simplistic. I just had to share this with you. So yeah, if you're looking for a quick and easy method to use in your search engine optimization effort so that you can get first page Google rankings, and you need a free SEO software to assist you with the whole process, then this video is for you. Now, this free software that we're going to be using is basically a Chrome extension, and so you're going to need Google Chrome in order for this method to work. I did just check. They used to have it for Firefox, but they recently disabled it due to new browser updates, and they're currently working on that. And also, I don't see anything about Safari, but if you look into it, you might be able to find something similar to it or some type of alternative. But for this video, we're going to be using the Google Chrome extension throughout the entire training. So it's really important to know that you need Google browser in order for this method to work. Now, this free Chrome extension, if you go to Google and just type in Mozbar, so we're going to be using this extension to detect the domain authority of our competition's websites as well as our own. So basically, the more impressive your backlink profile to your website or your competitor's website, the more authority Google and the search engines views that website and the more domain authority that it has. And the easier, quicker, and higher it'll be to rank for your website because it has so much authority viewed by the search engines. And also, the more domain authority you have, the less backlinks you'll need in time because Google basically has you grandfathered in as an authority website. In fact, you can have your domain authority be so high to the point where you're so grandfathered in and you're viewed as such an authority from the search engines that you don't have to build any more backlinks at all. You can just drop in buzzwords and you'll rank for hundreds, if not thousands of different variations, long tail variations of any of those keywords. That's when you're at super high domain authority levels. So basically what I want you to do now is just click on the second one down, or the one that looks like this that says Mozbar extension, and just click on this, and then it'll take you to their main page here with a big yellow button that says download Mozbar free. You just click on that, and then it'll take you to install it on your Chrome browser. Now I already have mine here, but once you do that, you'll have it pop up. And then once you have it come up like this, and real quick, you're going to want to log in and create a free account. And that way you're able to get all of the different details. You don't have to upgrade or go up to premium. We're going to be using a 100% free version here, but you do have to create an account. And once you do that, just refresh the screen and you'll see the whole bar come up just like this. So what we need to do now that we have the Chrome extension downloaded onto our browser, we need to go to our website and check the domain authority. So I got a couple of them up here. These are from my friends, my mentors. And because I just came out of retirement, my personal website, I'll just show you, it doesn't really have much of a domain authority. So if I was just go to mine real quick, you'll notice that I don't really have much of a domain authority because I just came out of retirement. But I want to show you what it does look like for someone who does have a good amount of backlinks and a good backlink profile. So I got Tanya, Eliza, and also got one of my other friends, Sean Baggery here, his Aversity website. They both have a domain authority of 33, and she has one of 31. Now, if you don't see the bar, and all you see is just the icon up here for the Moz bar, you'll see the page number. If you click on it a couple times, this additional toolbar comes down. This is where you'll see some additional information, and it'll tell you how many links it has and the domain authority and spam score. And we'll get into all the rest of that stuff, whether it be in the later part of this video or in additional videos. But for now, all we need now is just our domain authority. And as you can see, for here is 31, and for Aversity is for 33. So once you have it installed and you have your domain authority, what we're going to do now, I'm going to show you how to get keywords for your article that you're working on. Now, if you use this method, you're going to find that you're not only going to have easy time ranking for these keywords, but you're going to have practically zero competition as well. Keywords get regular searches on a daily basis. So you're going to be able to rank for them easily, rank pretty high, and get on the first page of Google, and then actively get searches to your website as well. So that'll be on a daily basis. So what you need to do now is just make sure that you have the Mozbar extension. So I'm going to go to Google so it pops up. As you can see, I'm logged in and my Mozbar extension is showing. And what we need to do now is we need to go to Google and we need to type in a keyword that's closely directly related to our post. So say for an example, if I'm in the how to get your ex back niche or the relationship market, and I'm trying to find or I'm trying to offer a solution to the problem of getting your ex back, or you just lost your ex, or you're trying to save your marriage, then I can just type in something broad, since just I'm looking for a broad keyword that's related to that problem and gives a solution to it in that respect. So I just put in something broad like how to get your ex back. So as you can see, Google has brought up some results, and Mozbar has also put some data underneath every single result on the page as well. So we get some exclusive and very useful intel underneath each one of these results that Google has given us. So as you can see, Mozbar gives us the page authority, the amount of links that the page currently gets, and the domain authority. Now, when looking for and ranking for a keyword, there's mainly three criteria that I mainly want to go off of. And now keep in mind that these three criteria that I'm getting ready to share with you, they're not rules, they're more so guidelines. So even if you were to get 2 out of the 3 criteria, you'll still be able to have an awesome keyword and rank for it easily and even get on the first page of Google with it. Now, basically, these 3 criteria are: number 1, you want to be looking for in the search results 3 or more websites with a lower domain authority than yours. And ideally, the lower the domain authority, the better. And just as I mentioned in the previous part of the video, domain authority is basically how Google gauges how authoritative a website is. The higher your domain authority is, the easier and quicker it is for you to rank in the search engines. And the lower it is, the harder it is for you to rank, the more backlinks and the more meticulous keyword research that you're going to need in order to rank. So what we're looking for is we're generally trying to find 3 or more websites with a lower domain authority than ours. That way it'll be easier for us to rank for that keyword. So the second criteria is after we find those sites with lower domain authority than ours, then we want to find and make sure using that Mozbar extension if they have little to no backlinks. And that's ideally what we're going for here. So as you can see here, this one says 48 links, this one says 176 links, and this one says 5 links. We're looking for 3 sites with lower domain authority than ours, and they have little to no backlinks ideally. Third criteria is we're looking for sites that have no keywords in their title, because if they have keywords in the title, you can pretty much bet that they have optimized that website and that title and that article for that keyword. Because the most beneficial part that you can do for your search engine optimization is put the keyword in your title. That can basically give you the most results in the 80-20 Pareto principle when it comes to your search engine optimization efforts. Is that's what they look at first. The crawlers is the keyword in the title. Now, if we look at the search results, I did use a broad keyword here. So what you're going to notice is if we look at the results, the domain authority is going to be 95, 91, 30, 74, 87, pretty high domain authorities. And that's to be completely expected because we did use a broad keyword for the topic that we're using for our post. So in the next part of the series, in video 2, I'm going to be showing you how we can use what I shared with you in this video as far as the 3 criteria and this installation of the Mozbar extension. And I'm also going to be sharing with you how to get additional keywords from the related searches here to get first page rankings. You'll realize at the end just how easy and simplistic it is in order to get first page ranking using this SEO method. All right. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this content. If you like stuff like this, then I highly recommend that you check out my website in the description, jonathancoast.net. I share everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales. And be sure to look out for the next part of this series. Is I'm going to be finishing up this process when it comes to getting additional keywords, using our Mozbar extension, and applying the 3 criteria that I shared with you in this video to get first page rankings. All right. So with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.